The kitchen is not the only place in the house that you need to protect your kids or your grandkids. I'm here in the living room, and right down here on the hearth of the fireplace is another place that you can ensure their safety. Now, we've just simply attached these bumpers here so that there are no sharp edges for them to get injured on. Over here on the wall is a pretty common sight if you've got toddlers, because these little plugs that protect the kids from putting sharp objects in the receptacle are great, but the only problem with these is that you may forget to put them back in when you're done using the receptacle. Well, here is a great solution to that problem. Right over here we've installed a new faceplate. This is a child safety faceplate, and what you do, if you go to plug something in, this swivels so that it opens up the receptacle, and as soon as you pull it back out, it snaps back into place to cover up the openings of the receptacle, making sure that none of the kids can put anything in there to hurt themselves. This does cost a little bit more than an average faceplate, but you know what? In the long run, it's well worth it.